Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 14th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Name the Indian who has been elected as the member of Badminton World Federation Council for the period of 2021 to 2025. Which state has launched Ankur scheme for planting trees? Samant Kumar Goel is the chief of which organization? India's largest statue of recycling Buddha will be installed at which place? Which organization will appoint forensic auditors for the listed firms? Which Indian professor has won the International Annie Award 2020 for renewable energy resources? Who is the author of the book Nehru, Tibet, China? India will acquire 4 Heron long endurance drones from which country on lease? The police of which state has launched a drive called Mission Hausla to help people get oxygen beds and plasma for COVID-19 patients? WHO, World Health Organization, and which country have signed an MOU to launch India's first biohub facility? So these were some of the important quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So who has been elected member of Badminton World Federation? He is Hemanta Biswa Sarma. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam. Ankur scheme has been launched by Madhya Pradesh. Samant Kumar Goel is the Chief of RAW Research and Wing Analysis Wing. India's largest statue of recycling Buddha will be installed at Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is in Bihar. Bodh Gaya. Which organization will appoint forensic auditors? Is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Indian professor who won International Annie Award is CNR Rao. Nehru, Tibet, China. The book has been written by Avtar Singh Bhasin. India will acquire 4 Heron long endurance drones from which country? It is Israel. The police of which state has launched Mission Hausla? Uttarakhand Police has launched Mission Hausla. WHO and Switzerland signed MOU on to launch the first WHO biohub facility. So these were the quiz questions. Let's discuss the today's current affairs, that is 14th of June. Which among the following has won the 2021 French Open Grand Slam tournament? So this is Rafael Nadal, and he is from Spain. Remember, he is from Spain. So Rafael Nadal has won the French Open. Before this, Australian Open has happened. In men's category, Novak Djokovic has won. Novak Djokovic has won, and in women's category, Naomi Osaka has won. Naomi Osaka. Novak Djokovic is from Serbia. Naomi Osaka is from Japan. Remember this. And Rafael Nadal has won the French Open, and he is from Spain. Niti Aayog has recommended the privatization of which 2 banks of India? So this is Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank. So A and B is correct. So Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank have categorized as the private, and this has been recommended by Niti Aayog. Who is the chairman? Niti Aayog. Chairman is always the Prime Minister of India. Who is the vice chairman? Vice Chairman, his name is Rajiv Kumar. His name is Rajiv Kumar. And who is the CEO? Amitabh Kant. Amitabh Kant. So remember these things about Niti Aayog. Central Bank of India headquartered is in Mumbai. Indian Overseas Bank headquartered was in Chennai. Punjab Sindh Bank headquartered is in New Delhi. What is the rank of India in Coursera's Global Silk Report? So India's rank is 67. So India has ranked 67 and topped by Singapore. Topped by Singapore. So remember this. Which Australian city is selected to host 2032 Olympic Games? So this is Brisbane. In Australian city Brisbane, they are going to host 2032 Olympic Games. 2032 Olympic Games. When do we observe World Blood Donor Day? So this World Blood Donor Day we observe on 14th of June. 14th of June we observe as World Blood Donor Day. What is the theme? Theme of Blood Donor Day is give blood and keep world beating. So this is the theme of World Blood Donor Day 2021. Give blood and keep world beating. So this is the theme of World Blood Donor Day, which is celebrated on 14th of June. Which among the following bank has launched Kavach, a personal loan? Loan should come. A personal loan for COVID-19 for the customers. So this has been launched by State Bank of India. State Bank of India has announced to give 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees, that is collateral free. Collateral free loan at low interest rate. Here the State Bank of India chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. HDFC CEO is Sandeep Bakshi is ICICI Bank. Sandeep Bakshi. Shashidhar Jagdishan. Central Bank of India headquartered is in Mumbai and it is categorized as a private now. Mumbai, ICICI Bank headquarters in Mumbai. This is also in Mumbai. This is also based in Mumbai. So remember these things. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of MyLab Discovery Solution? This is Akshay Kumar. So Akshay Kumar has been appointed as the brand ambassador of MyLab Discovery Solution. So a direct question. Which among the following ministry has launched Prabandh Portal? So this is the Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a Prabandh Portal. So remember this. Who has been appointed as International Advisory Group for Climate Action recently? So this is Sunita Narayan. Sunita Narayan has been appointed as the International Advisory Group for Climate Action. So remember, very important question. ICRA has projected India's GDP growth rate at what percent for the financial 2022? So this is 8.5. They have expected for the India's GDP growth rate for 8.5% for the financial year 2022. So remember this. So these were the important 10 questions. I did not bring today 15 questions, but tomorrow I will definitely bring. So these were the current affairs of 14th of June. See you on 15th of June. Thank you.